Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is the rent of flat is rupees 250 per month. The house tax is to be charged 10% yearly, but 12% of the rent is deducted for repairs and other expenses. The house tax is, so here in the question we have to find out the house tax which is deducted yearly. So for this, the first thing which we have to do, we take, let the rent yearly be, that is so per month we are having that is 250. So 250 is the rent which he pay per month. Each month he pay 250. So for yearly, let the rent yearly. So yearly we are having that is how much? 12 months. So for 1 year or 12 months or a year, 250 multiplied by 12, that is 3,000. So this is the amount which he has to pay yearly. But in the question, if you see, it says that 12% of this rent is deducted for repairs and other expenses. That is how much? 12. So this is 12% for what? 12% for repair and other expenses. Is deducted. How much? 12% of the whole amount is deducted for repairs and other. And how much is the 12% of 3,000? So therefore we are having 12% of this amount, the whole amount which he has to pay yearly. So here we cancel out 2 zeros, so this becomes that is 12 multiplied by 30. So the amount which is being deducted yearly, that is 12 multiplied by 30, that is 360. So this amount 360 or rupees 360 is deducted for the repair and other expenses. And now the remaining amount, so what will be the remaining amount will be how much? That is from 3,000. So from 3,000, if we take out the 12% which is for the repair and other expenses, and that is how much we have taken out, that is 360. So from 3,000 we take out 360, and the remaining amount we get, that is 2,640. So this is what? This is the remaining amount remained. And now in the question, if you see it is asking us that the house tax is, so we also have to find out the house tax. So how much is the house tax? The house tax is to be charged, that is how much? That is 10% yearly. So 10% is the charge. So how much will be the 10%? So the tax is, so we are having that is tax is how much? That is 10%. 10%. So 10% is the tax. And how much will be the 10% of this amount? The remaining amount now. So 10% of the remaining amount. From the total amount, we have already taken out 12% of the amount which is being paid for repair and expensive, and we have now got the remaining, that is 2,640. And from this amount, 10% is charged as the house tax. So house tax, we can also write it here, that is house tax. House tax is 10%, so 10%, so this becomes, that is 0 0, and this 0 we also cancel out, and here we have got that is the 10%, the house tax, that is 10%, and how much that is, we have got that is 264. So this amount or rupees is the house tax which he has to pay yearly, and this is our answer as well. I hope you have completely understood the method and the process. So thank you very much.